We've got Sesame Street! Hi there, Huckleberry Toy Surprise, and we have your favorite characters from Sesame Street. Okay, let's open them up. And these are our Sesame Street pals. This is Oscar the Grouch. He lives in a garbage can and collects a lot of stuff. He's a green monster and he's usually grumpy. He has a pet worm named Smiley. And that's Oscar, Oscar the Grouch. Next up is Elmo. Elmo is a red monster who's really happy. He's got a fishbowl with a goldfish in it. And Elmo is certainly a friend who loves to laugh. That's Elmo. Eee! This is Cookie Monster and Telly. Okay, let's open them up. This is Telly, and Telly is short for Television Monster. He's pinky purple. Telly is a member of Oscar's fan club, the Grouchketeers. Telly is a bit of a worrywart. And that's Telly. And this is Cookie Monster. He's got a cookie in his hand and a jar of cookies. Our Cookie Monster is blue. And he's a funny monster who eats anything and everything. You could say he loves food. And that's our adorable blue Cookie Monster. It's Bert and Ernie. There's Bert and Ernie, or Ernie and Bert. This is Bert. And Bert's not a monster. Bert is a yellow Muppet. He's kind of grumpy. And he lives with Ernie. That's Bert. This is Ernie. He's also a Muppet, and he's orange. And he's part of the comic duo of Bert and Ernie. Ernie's a happy-go-lucky guy who gets on Bert's nerves. And that's Ernie. This is Big Bird and Snuffleupagus. This is Mr. Snuffleupagus, or Snuffy for short. He's a woolly mammoth. Snuffy doesn't have tusks or ears. He has thick brown hair and a trunk or snuffle that drags along the ground. He's best friends with Big Bird. And that's Snuffy. And this is Big Bird. He's an 8-foot, 2-inch, big yellow bird. Big Bird can roller skate, ice skate, dance, sing, write poetry, draw, and even ride a unicycle. Now that's talent. That's Big Bird. And that's our Sesame Street characters. watching Huckleberry Toy Surprise and Sesame Street. And these were our Sesame Street pals. Have a Huckleberry day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for more Sesame Street.